Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best hiking backpacks available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Teton Hiking Backpack. It has multi-position torso adjustment, fits wide range of body sizes. It has durable open cell foam lumbar pad and molded channels provide maximum airflow and balance. This hiking backpack comes with hundreds of verified 5-star reviews testifying to the quality. And design sleeping bag compartment compression straps and exterior pockets for strategic packing. This well-built internal frame backpack has features you're used to seeing on most higher-priced packs. At number 6 we have Amazon Basics Hiking Backpack. It is made of durable polyester and ideal for hiking and camping. It has extensive storage pockets and compartments, large sleeping bag compartment, multi-directional compression straps. It also has adjustable straps and padded shoulder straps for a comfortable fit. It has open cell foam lumbar pad and molded channels for lower back support and airflow. It has water-repellent exterior coating and integrated water-resistant rainfly for light rain waterproof cover. At number 5 we have Teton Hiking Backpack. This hydration pack is a terrific companion for all your day-long or overnight hydration needs. This backpack is for men, women and youth, adjusts to fit all frames comfortably. The Oasis 1100 is light, adjustable, comfortable and affordable. It's an 18-liter backpack and a terrific companion for all your day-long or overnight outdoor adventures. At number 4 we have VenturePal Hiking Backpack. It is made with high-quality material, ultralight, tear and water-resistant. The extra strength provided by double-layer bottom piece enhanced by bar tacks at major stress points makes it very convenient to carry more load on your journeys. It has breathable mesh shoulder straps with plentiful sponge padding help relieve the stress from your shoulder. The length of the shoulder straps is adjustable. The chest strap with a Weazel buckle help you lock your backpack in place. At number 3 we have Teton Hiking Backpack. It is built for whatever you throw it at the Scout 3400 internal frame backpack. This Teton Sports is thoughtfully designed with your comfort in mind. It has padded back panel, is channeled for airflow and padded shoulder straps are adjustable for your size and load. In fact, the Scout is fully adjustable in the torso, waist, chest and shoulders. You can get the perfect fit for your next adventure into the backcountry with the Scout 3400. At number 2 we have Hike. It is made with high-quality water and tear-resistant nylon material, provides long-lasting performance with the lightest weight possible. And side mesh pocket also uses enhanced resilient tear-resistant material. It is most durable, abrasion-resistant SBS metal zipper reliable. It has double fabric at the bottom for extra strength. At number 1 we have Teton Sports Hiking Backpack. This hydration pack is a terrific companion for all your day-long or overnight hydration needs. The Oasis 1100 by Teton Sports is an 18-liter backpack that comes with a leak-proof 2-liter hydration bladder. And is thoughtfully designed with plenty of room for all the gear you want to keep handy. You can adjust the shoulder, chest and waist straps to get a custom fit. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best hiking backpacks for your need.